Good morning. Another day, another fish. Not sure if you can quite see me yet, but the sun's starting to come up in the background a bit. We've got a bit of cloud up here. But, just going to start off this morning. There's a little creek here I just want to surface fish, throw this skittish dog over. So I'll give that a crack. But today's plan is to just have a look around and run some hard bodies and try and get some, hopefully, quality fish. But anything will do. It's all still fun. So I'm just about to approach this creek now, so I'll shut you off and yeah, I'll shut this big motor off and I shall have a look and see if there's anything out. Righto, this is the GARCIA Revo SX laced up with 30-pound J-braid, and it's on the Atomic Arrow 6.6. I think it's 16 to 20 kilo. Let me double check that. Yeah, 8 to 16 kilo rod. It's got a really nice whippy tip on it. This is the rod I'll probably use mostly for my snag bashing and things like that. Really good. It's got plenty of power down low. Surprisingly, these rods, value for money, are really good. I have cracked a meter barra on them and felt like it was going to snap, but got the fish in. So and that's just the first class tackle, 115mm vibe. The colour is 024, number 024. You can get them off First Class Tackle website, and if you use the Bust Ups 10 code, you'll get a 10% discount. But yeah, that's one combo. This is my next combo. This is my GARCIA STX. Awesome little reel, these things. 10 to 1. I cannot fault these reels. Same thing, 30-pound J-braid. Was laced up with 40-pound, I think it was. I can't remember what it was called when I brought it from the warehouse. And that again is just on the Atomic Arrow AAB. This is the medium to heavy rod. So it's still got a bit of a tippy end on it. I actually use this one for skip casting and that as well, but it's got plenty of power down low here right through to the butt. But again, these reels are they're bloody awesome. And that's just on that Samaki Radic 100mm DS that I've been banging the fish on. Awesome little reel, that one. This is my Shimano 300 HG. Awesome little reel, beast of a reel, this thing. I primarily use it for big fish stuff, and I did buy it for big barra once I start getting up into the impoundments and starting to do a bit more fishing up in the dams and whatnot. But that's laced up on 40-pound J-braid, and this is actually on a Daiwa beef stick. It is a 6 to 12 kilo rod, so again, light tip, but plenty of power down through the rod all the way through to the butt. And yeah, cannot fault this reel, that's for sure. I was a little bit skeptical on, it's probably a bit big of a reel for this rod, but the rod I did have on it was just proper overkill. So that's just a Samaki Radic, the DS100 that I've been flicking, that's been slaying all the barra. So they're my 3 rods that I'm using today. So hopefully we can bang a few more before the tide's out. We'll see how we go. Let her get some sunnies on because I cannot see looking into that thing. All right. Righto. Nice and close to the bank there. See if we can jag ourselves a mundi. Yep, got one. Got one. No net. he just got off. No, he was a good barra. God damn. He was a good barra. Oh, not a good start. Good start, but shit start. He was a legal fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Drop. That. Again. My God, that's the second one I've dropped. God damn it. Another good barra. That's two now. That's definitely not off to a good start. I mean, I'm off to a good start that I'm getting the bites, but crikey. It's insane. Oh, sorry, I didn't have the camera on. I was just resetting, and then bloody Buffy decided to buff me. Nice fish. Hopefully this one doesn't come off. Oh, he's come off. Ah, man. How? I've got one bent treble, but man, that's 3 big fish today already. God damn it. I had the camera off, I just flicked out. I'm like, yeah, I'll just set up here. Sure enough. I can't believe that. That's 3 fish now, 2 indefinite good ones, probably 75s, maybe 80. And the first one, well, I didn't get to see him, but it was heavy. The only reason I dropped that one is because he went to go for the outboard, and I put a bit of hurt on him, and he'd already had a couple of jumps. So I think I got the second one on camera, but whew. Oh well, at least they're here, and at least I'm getting the bites. I'll definitely be, if I get a few, I'll be putting them in the esky, because we've got a few people at home and they can't get enough fish, so we're taking some home. Plus we've got a new cryovac we want to try out too, so yeah, what a bugger. Anyway, I'll continue on and see how we go. That's fishing. What you doing, buddy? Hey, you want to come fishing? You want to come fishing, mate? Hey? Just wandering around. They don't eat fish. I'll try a different colour. I have got the same lure, just different colour. Yep, first cast. Feels more like a trevally though. A little barrow. A little barrow. Ooh. Be undersized this fella, but look at that first cast. Come up with the goods. Right. First cast, different colour. The reason why I went this Shimano, the Corrado, is because it's got a pretty high crank. So I want to get it in as close as I can to that snag and give it a couple of quick cranks just to get it down to depth. And this reel is, it's a 300 HG Corrado Shimano. Yep, there we go. Oh, got off. Got off. Got off. So that's just the colour. And the Shimano 300 HG. It is a beast of a reel, that's for sure. Yeah, it didn't look to be smaller ones in there, it looked to be bigger ones, so it's got to wean out these little fellas, I think. Try to. Sorry, off cam bite. I think it's only a little fella. Yeah. Well, you can flick off, mate. Oh, flick off. Oh, I'll give him a quick measure, get my way in. 50, buddy. All right, make me way around, have another search. Them ones, they was just flicking pretty quiet. I'd say the bite time's probably nearly over, eh? But I will persist. I'm gonna go back to where I dropped a couple of fish this morning, the buggers. But yeah, hopefully I can redeem myself with a nice one today. Would be very good. Be very nice. Yeah, change of colour and boom, bite straight away, first cast. What I get, I got 2 fish, 2 rats. So the change of colour worked. See how we go. I'll give you a bit of a look at those rod reel setups too, if I haven't done it already. Oh, there's a few. Here's a few more here. Come on, Monday. Yep. Oh, there we go. Only a little fella. See if I can take him up front. Well, you might nearly go legal. No. 55. He's 50. May as well say 56. There you go, buddy. Go get mum and dad. Mum and dad would be very good. Alright. Got this first class 120mm prawn. We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna find some fish because there's still a few fish about. They're just they've just shut down, so had an inquiry. Oh, Barrett just followed that up then. Cheeky bugger. Oh, is that a touch? Yep, got him. The prawn got him. We'll come up front. I think it might be only a little one. Please be legal. Nah, you're not legal. You're not legal. He won't be legal. Oh, check him out anyway on the beauty of a brag mat that I've got. Ooh, look at that. First class tackle prawn comes through with the goods. Hey, little fella. That's alright. Hey, little fella. Oh my goodness. I know there's bigger ones there. Yep. We got him. Oh, he's a better one. He's a much better one. Much better one. Thank you. The old prawn paying off. How good's that? Prawn in his mouth. Beautiful fish. Anyway, he's going in the esky. Yeah, very good. Oh, is that a touch? Yep, got him. The prawn got him. We'll come up front. I think he might be a little one. Please be legal. No, you're not legal. You're not legal. Well, I was going to wuss it. The weather's looking pretty crap, but I don't know if I'd get back into the boat ramp, so I'll stay for a bit longer. Well, I have to stay until the tide comes back in now, but it's only 9:30, so I've got some good fish. 58's would be perfect. I don't like keeping them too big, but I've got a cryovac machine that needs use, so, and I've got bellies to fill. Anyway, I might pull up here. I'll tune back in when I'm flicking again. Hopefully crack another goodie. What should I go? The prawn or the hard body? Let's go the hard body again. I'm really loving the hard body. How good's this, eh? Best thing ever. Thank you, Alex. Birthday present. Best birthday present ever. Oh, just like that. And I call it a day. It looks like it's going to rain, so I may as well get out of here before it rains. Quite overcast. That's if I can. Pushing it. I might not even be able to yet. It's quite shallow. Yeah, it's too shallow. It's too shallow. Yeah, just like that. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's 50-50, but figured I had a pretty good sesh, so, well, not too bad a one anyway. It's amazing, the water temps start picking up, and yeah, the fish start coming on the chew, so yeah, it's good. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'll link the rods and reels that I use. I'll link it down in the description in case you're ever wondering, and yeah, again, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.